Hi there and welcome to another BlogHandy tutorial on how to add a beautiful looking and an SEO optimized blog to your existing website. My name is Uwe, I'm the founder of BlogHandy, and today we're looking at LearnWorlds and how to add a blog to your school page. So let's get right into it. Alright, so now I'm in my dashboard at LearnWorlds and I click on Site Builder and on Edit School Site. Perfect, so my page loaded, and you can either add the blog to any of the existing pages or you can create a new page. Let me create a new page now by clicking on the plus sign at pages, and I just want to create a blank new page. Let's click on it. The page name will be my blog and the page slug will be my blog, and I just click on create. Perfect. So here we can see our new blog page. And let's just click anywhere here and find the add section button. Click here. And here in this new pop-up, you can choose what sort of design or element you want to add. And we want to look for the embed elements. I click here on embed, and here you just click on the first one and it adds our embed element. Perfect. So now I'm here, you just click on it once and the embeddable script part should open on the right hand side. This is where we want to add our BlogHandy code. So let's go to BlogHandy right now, and under getting started, under code snippet, we just want to copy the step 1 code and we go back to LearnWorlds and we will just paste here our code. Then we go back to BlogHandy, we copy the second bit of our code, go back to the site builder and paste it here, and then we just click on update. Perfect. So this won't be viewable on our preview page, so we have to now click on save. Alright, perfect. So now our blog is loading here on the live page, but we can't see it in the preview yet. But what we want to do now is we want to click on Edit School top bar in order to add a link to the blog in our top menu bar. So once you clicked on the button, you have to then go here to click here on the menu in order to, I'll show you that here, this menu. We have to click here just to order this menu here. And here you see all your links. You can see the ones after you logged in and also the ones before someone logged in or signed up to your school account. Okay, let's go a bit down and click on the plus button. And here the menu link, we can call it my blog. And we want to link it to our blog page. So let's click on go to, and we want to go to a page. And we have to select the page. We want to go to the my blog page in the same window, and we click on done, save and close. Okay, perfect. So here's our my blog link, and let's click on save once more. Okay, and let's go to our live page here, and I just refresh it. Perfect. So now I see my blog here in the top menu. You can click on it and your blog is loading fine. So the great thing with BlogHandy is that we automatically take over the design and the layout and the look and feel of your existing site. So depending what sort of font and colors and sizes you use on your existing site, the BlogHandy blog will automatically adapt to that, and you don't have to redesign anything in your account. But if you want to do so, you can do that in the settings. So there's one more step you have to do. You have to copy the link of your blog page, and you have to go to BlogHandy, click on settings and paste it into the blog URL and just click on save all changes. And since we're already in the settings, let me just show you the layout and design page. Here you can choose between a number of already existing designs, or you can pick our minimal design and then we load as little design as possible, and you can adjust everything you want. For that you have to have some CSS coding skills. So let me show you, for example, our modern grid. It's as simple as clicking on that switch And now when you reload your page, it will already load the new design here. And you can click on your blog post and it will load the blog post. If you need any adjustments done, you can either do them yourself. On the layout and design page, you just go to the bottom and under custom CSS, you can change any class names and any designs however you want. If you don't have any experience with CSS, always feel free to reach out to us. We're happy to fully customize your blog according to your wishes, free of charge. Thanks a lot for listening. Happy blogging and bye bye for now.